Notion Communication Honest Review, Watch Before Using. If you're considering using Notion as your main communication tool, this review is for you. Links to Notion are available in the description, so be sure to check them out if you're interested. Let's dive straight into it. Notion has made its name as a powerful all-in-one workspace that allows teams and individuals to stay organized, manage tasks, and centralize information. One of its standout features is how seamlessly it integrates communication within its broader suite of project management and productivity tools. With threaded comments, tagging, and collaborative editing, Notion makes team communication more fluid, especially when discussing documents, sharing updates, or brainstorming in real time. However, it's essential to understand who will benefit most from using Notion for communication. If you're part of a small to medium-sized team that needs to collaborate on documents and ideas without switching between multiple tools, Notion can be transformative. Its minimalist interface, combined with flexibility for creating databases, meeting notes, and shared workspaces, caters to both creatives and structured project teams. Yet, if you're part of a larger enterprise or depend heavily on rapid, back-and-forth communication, Notion's messaging tools might feel limited compared to dedicated communication platforms like Slack or Microsoft Teams. It's best for teams that value contextualized communication tied directly to work documents and projects, rather than casual, rapid exchanges. Another point to consider is the learning curve. Notion's customizable nature is a double-edged sword. While it offers unmatched versatility, setting up effective communication workflows can take time. Templates and integrations help, but some users may find initial onboarding challenging. To wrap up, Notion excels at blending communication with documentation and task management, making it ideal for structured teams looking for a unified workspace. If you're all about real-time messaging or need robust notification systems, you might find it lacking. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical reviews. Your support helps others discover valuable insights like these.